Have you ever seen this kind of questions? Round the number to the nearest 100, to the nearest whole number, to the nearest 10. Some of you might still confused about it. That's why this video is created. Approximation based on the number position. Now, before we start discussing the topic, we really need to know about the number position. So, on the screen, you see a number 291,853.764. Each digit in that number actually have a position. Now, we will start to fill in this blank. The 3 is available exactly before the dot, the decimal point. That one is called as a 1. So 3 take the position of 1. And then after that, the next one, 5, that one take the position of 10. 8, it will be 100. 1 will be 1000. 9 will be 10,000. And then 2, it will be what? 100,000, correct? And then after that, 7. 7 is available exactly after the decimal point. So 7 will take the position of 10th, and then 6 will take the position of 100, and then 4 will take the position of 1000. If you notice, all the digits after the dot will use the th as the position name. It would be always ended with th at the end. Okay, now how to memorize this? The one that I will do is like this. Look, the 3. The 3 is exactly before the dot, and that one take the position of 1. Yeah, and then the next one, the digit that available exactly after the decimal point, that one will take the position of 10. That's the way I memorize it. Okay, so now correction rules. Correction is the other name of rounding. So correcting numbers, rounding numbers are the same actually. Now, what are the rules that you need to follow when you want to correct or rounding a number? The first one, you need to underline the last digit you want to keep based on the number position. And then after that, you take a note for the position of the underlined number. Is it 10th? Is it 100? Is it 10,000? Okay. And then after that, yeah, you circle the next number. A number that available after the underlined number. And on the number that is being circled, you need to check. If it's greater than 5, then the underlined number, you add it by 1. But if it's not, the underlined number will stay the same. And you need to take attention on this one about adding 0. You can add 0 to the number when it is needed, and you will do that based on your notes. Now, example 1. The number is 1456.32. Correct this number to the nearest 100. Which number actually takes the position of 100, guys? 4. So you underline the 4. 4 takes the position of 100, underline it. And then after that, take a note. The underlined number must take the position of 100 at the end. Okay? After that, you circle the next number. The next number is 5. You still remember the previous notes? If the one that is being circled is greater than or equal to 5, what will happen with the underlined one? You add it by 1. So it becomes 5. You have 1 and 5. 5 is the last digit that you can keep from the number 1456.32. Now, after that, based on the notes, it says that the underlined number must take a position of 100 at the end. Right now, if you look on the number, 5 is actually take the position of what? 1, right? It's not 100. So I need to make it become 100. Oh, just add a 0. But if I add only a single 0, then the 5 will only take the position of 10. Again, the underlined number must take the position of 100. So, oh, I add another 0 then. Then, look, the 5 takes the position of 100. So, 1500 will be the result. The example 2, the number is still the same, 1456.32. Correct this number to the nearest tenth. My question, which number takes the position of tenth? It will be 3. So underline the 3. And then after that, you take a note. Oh, the underlined number must take a position of 10 at the end. Okay? Now, circle the next number. What is the next number? Is 2. Do you remember? If the circle number is less than 5, what will happen with the underlined number? Stay the same. Okay? Now, after that, all the numbers behind the underline is gone. And it's time for you to check. The underlined number must take the position of 10th at the end. 3 takes the position of 10th already? Yes. So this one will be the result. You don't need to add more 0 on it. Okay? Now I think we still have example 3 here. We're still dealing with the same number, but we need to correct to the nearest whole number. And there is a special note here. The nearest whole number takes the position of 1. So it means 6 would be underlined. And here is the answer. Correct this number to the nearest whole number. So 6 takes the position of 1. Underline it. So just do it in your mind. The 6 is underlined. And then after that, you take a note. The underline must take a position of 1 at the end. And circle the next one, which is it will be 3. And the circle one, the circle number less than 5. So the underline stay the same, 6. So you will have 1456. The remaining is gone. And then after that, ask yourself, based on the notes. The 6 already take the position of 1? Yes. So done. 1456 will be the result. Thank you for your attention and good luck for the mid-semester 1 test.